So what are we about to make now?
Cupcake!
Wow, high five! So we have different colors. We have white, blue, and pure white. This white has design. So Melvin, you have to choose one. Which one do you want?
Blue!
Wow, okay. Let's start. We're going to use Betty Crocker to make this cupcake. So we're going to use these to make it.
What we're going to do now, I just smell cupcake.
Okay. So we're going to have a mixture here.
Are you ready? Are you ready to make it?
Yeah, I'm ready. So we're breaking 3 eggs.
Now we're going. That's egg yolk. Mommy, how you put the egg there?
Like this.
Mommy, just 3 eggs.
In this place so that this place will not be soiled. Then we have to beat it.
Mommy's egg yolk.
Yeah, it's egg yolk and egg white together, right? One of these two. Okay. Good job. I'll add oil while you add water, right? Yeah. We added half cup of oil with 3 eggs and 3/4 of water. That is 175 ml of water. So Melvin, I added the oil, you add the water. Add the water. Good job. High five.
I can put it.
Yeah, you
Now
can.
we make it.
So now it's time to add the flour. This one, I call it cake mix. So we add it slowly as we stir it. Slowly.
Let's get some milk. I want some milk. Look. Oh, it's looking like.
Let's do it together.
It's looking like it's so
Yeah, wait,
sweet.
let me do it fast. So you stir this for like 1 minute or 2. You just have to be rigorous with the mixing. You said you want blue, right? So it's time to
This
put
one
it
is
in.
mine.
I'll be giving you put.
I have enough.
Yeah, the other one.
I'm so fast.
Yeah. How many is remaining? How many?
1.
Okay.
We're almost done.
Yeah, so we'll keep
Done.
this for next time, okay? How are we going to pour it in now?
I got an idea.
Or what?
We can put it like.
Maybe we'll use this. Yeah?
We're losing the oil cup.
Yeah, we'll use the oil cup.
You just spilled it.
Don't worry, I will clean it up later.
Look. Now, what color is that?
Cream.
Good.
Cream.
Cream.
Yeah, this is cream color.
We're just 4 left. This is Mario, Mommy. We put a lot of Mommy. I think we'll put a lot.
A lot?
Means it's so 2 meats.
2, remaining 2, right?
2. Either be about just this one. We're almost done.
Okay.
We're not careful. Then you just spill all this stuff.
Now clean up. Do that.
Look, Mommy. Look.
No, not touching.
I didn't touch.
Okay.
I put my hand up because I was talking to you.
Okay, that's good.
You didn't make a mess.
Yeah.
You make a mess in this one. It's ready. The cupcake is ready. Woohoo!
Anytime you finish doing anything, you clean up, okay?
Yes.
We'll have to put back.
I know how to do like. See, I did a small.
High five. We did it.
Yes, we did it. We finished the cupcake. What?
This could not enter, so I'll flip
Look,
it back.
cupcake is in my hand.
Don't worry, after we wash our hands, okay? So how many cupcakes were we able to make?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16! Five.
Ah, well done. Well done, Melvin. You're welcome. Let's go put our cake in the oven.
So hot.
It's so hot, so I should not take one yet?
But
Okay.
we have to wait for it. Peanut butter, then. Look at yummy.
So yummy?